Hello, this is Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and Idaho Part 2 is coming up now. After passing up that really cool campsite by Cuprum, we continued on the road and found a really neat campsite next to the South Fork of the Salmon River. We've included the elevation and GPS coordinates along with a link to the waypoint that I made public in the Gaia GPS app. This campsite had lots of room for the dogs to run, and we stopped, made camp, and had a quick dinner and watched the fire while the sun went down. I took a walk in the morning to fly the drone down by the river and had it follow me back to camp to give you a perspective of how far away we were from the river's edge. We packed up and followed the Forest Service Road 474 along the South Salmon River north until we came to the East Fork Road, where we took a right and came to a town called Yellow Pine. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and look us up on Facebook.